I have to tell you, the videos you're about to see today are genuinely breathtaking, true visual masterpieces. Words like incredible, amazing, and astonishing are the only fitting way to describe what Sora AI has created for us. In today's episode, I'm excited to once again explore these fascinating AI-generated creations with you. I've meticulously handpicked the most impressive, visually captivating, and memorable videos to ensure you have the ultimate viewing experience, staying updated with the latest advancements in AI technology every weekend. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Gary, and you're watching episode number 2 of Watch with Gary. I'd also like to extend a huge thank you to creators 062285, Izzy101. Your contributions have made today's selection even more exceptional. Now let's dive straight into today's intriguing, captivating, and irresistibly appealing first topic: fantasy mysticism and serene introspection. It conveys themes of spiritual reflection, ancient mythology, and mystical energy, with the woman appearing like a goddess, priestess, or enchanted being submerged in sacred waters. These AI-generated videos by Sora AI showcase an unprecedented level of realism and artistic expression. Each character displayed conveys emotions and subtle nuances that captivate viewers, closely mirroring human behavior and interactions. The meticulous detailing in textures, ranging from intricately designed costumes to shimmering jewelry, demonstrates the AI's precision in rendering lifelike elements. The distinct mythological and fantasy-inspired atmospheres evoke a powerful emotional resonance, further proving that artificial intelligence has transcended basic visual rendering, becoming an influential artistic medium. These advancements not only broaden creative horizons, but also challenge conventional filmmaking, offering endless possibilities in the realm of digital storytelling. Exploring the range of videos created by Sora reveals the impressive depth and artistic sensibility this technology has achieved. What do you think about these videos? If you're like me, I bet you can't look away and might even wish you were there yourself.
Damn!
Next, let's explore some videos with a captivating cinematic quality. This video makes a powerful impression with its epic scale and cinematic grandeur. The colossal statues emerging from the ocean resemble ancient deities, evoking a sense of mystery and awe. Small details like glowing cracks along the statues' bodies add a sense of power and vitality, captivating viewers completely. Next, let's move on to some more cinematic videos. These videos are truly captivating, showcasing cinematic quality and artistic depth. Each scene is rich with striking visuals and intriguing narratives, pulling viewers into worlds filled with suspense, mystery, and grandeur. The impressive use of lighting, atmosphere, and detailed textures highlights the incredible potential and creativity of AI-generated content. Watching these videos, one can clearly see how AI technology continues to blur the line between imagination and reality, opening exciting new possibilities for storytelling and visual art. Now let's quickly explore some of the top-ranking videos on Sora. A wolf cautiously approaches a glowing mystical object nestled on the forest floor, beautifully capturing curiosity and wonder. An enigmatic figure wearing glowing goggles steps into a neon-lit futuristic party, exuding an air of intrigue. A baby athlete dramatically outpaces adult runners on a professional track, brilliantly capturing humor and surprise. I genuinely adore this scene. A raccoon wearing a cowboy hat casually smokes beside neon lights, showcasing delightfully quirky nightlife vibes. A dapper gentleman dressed in formal attire strolls confidently alongside a majestic lion through a bustling nighttime cityscape. A stylish woman, illuminated by vibrant city lights, sits confidently behind the wheel of a sleek sports car. A cheerful pirate captain joyfully raises a toast beneath lantern-lit skies, celebrating aboard a vibrant and lively ship at night. Next, let's explore some scenes that I'm truly fond of, both for their remarkable quality and striking creativity by Sora AI. Take a look at these stunning scenes. A bulldog dressed in a sleek suit, confidently puffing on a cigar, radiating pure charisma. Then, an adorable young boy with big, round black glasses, deeply immersed in reading a thick book, exuding intelligence and curiosity. Next, an emotional soldier in a steel helmet, his face filled with determination and depth, telling a silent story of resilience. Following that, a fearless and captivating female pilot, embodying both strength and elegance as she prepares for flight. And finally, a vibrant girl in a pink hat, joyfully dancing to the rhythm, lost in the music's energy. Every one of these AI-generated videos is truly flawless, showcasing a level of creativity and realism that is simply breathtaking. Now, let's explore a different topic together: videos that recreate the people and scenes of ancient Greece. Sora AI has created some truly astonishing footage where the characters not only look realistic, but also feel alive. The most impressive aspect is their expressions: deep, expressive eyes, facial emotions that feel genuine, and natural movements so fluid that you almost forget this was made by AI. The ancient Greek setting is also incredibly detailed, from marble columns and light reflecting off stone surfaces to the way people move through the space, no longer feeling like static figures in a digital environment, but rather individuals who truly interact with their surroundings. Overall, Sora AI doesn't just create visually stunning images. It brings characters to life with emotions and depth, something AI has struggled with in the past. Next up are videos for animal lovers, guaranteed to be incredibly funny and unique. A white bear wearing black sunglasses walks through the scorching desert, looking like a mafia boss on vacation. Then comes a tiny duckling waddling along a flooded road, looking adorably clumsy. A fluffy white cat sleeps soundly on a floating cloud, its face so content as if resting on the softest pillow in the world. Meanwhile, 3 tigers and a lion lounge on a carpet, eyes locked on a golden roasted chicken sitting on the table, yet no one dares to touch it. These videos not only bring laughter, but also melt hearts with the cuteness and charm of the animal world. Every moment is creatively captured, turning the ordinary into something extraordinarily funny and special. I am a passionate animal lover, and I find immense joy in watching animal videos. There's something incredibly soothing about observing their natural behavior, whether it's their playful antics or heartwarming interactions. I could spend hours watching them, never feeling the slightest bit of boredom. Let's move on to the scenic videos. Of course, once again, these are the best videos I have selected for you. When watching these videos, you won't need to browse on Sora to learn more, as the videos in my clip already provide everything you need. Alright, I believe that's all for today. I wish you all a delightful and relaxing weekend, filled with fun and joy. Be sure to sit back and enjoy the last few clips, and I can't wait to see you again in the next videos. Until then, take care and stay inspired.